All right, finally we are inside the project itself. It's just a basic counter where you can move the number up and decrement the number. You can also reset the number. Amazing. And you can enter a new number and so on. So as I said, nothing you're gonna write home to your mommy and dad about and show them. Maybe you will, but it's not something you're gonna put on your resume. But the point of this project is to very basically introduce you to the Redux concept. So for now, we are just using component state inside this project. I will try and increase the font size here. As you can see, we just have the state of count, and here is all my functions I'm binding. Here's the increment where we increase the count state by 1, decrement -1, on press clear, then we set it to 0. This is where we take in the number, the custom number. We parse it as int because it comes in as a text from the text field. Then we set the state to the count. And this is just the view of it. Here's the text input for the count setting. And yeah, there's the button for incrementing and the counter itself, and decrement and the clear. So very simple example, but it's gonna get a bit more complex once we put Redux onto it. And in this small example, it's not gonna make so much sense for you to implement Redux. But like I said before, when you have bigger apps, it's going to help you a lot because you will have it more organized. And at some point, you simply want to have a global state to call actions at any container you might have. So bear with me, in this example, it's not going to make a lot of sense to implement Redux here, but it's just to show you the basic steps of implementing Redux. Okay, I've talked enough about this, I think, and let's move on to the next section where we actually start to add the Redux package and start implementing some Redux. Okay, see you.